Buenas tardes, it's Lisa. I hope you guys are well today. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching, supporting our channel. We appreciate it so much. I thank you for your comments that you're telling me that, oh, I just found your channel and like you're loving it. Thank you. And that you're going back to watch the old videos. All that is such a blessing to us. Thank you, thank you. So, you may have seen a couple of videos ago that Craig and I, we hit 3 months here in Panama now as expats. So how does it feel? It does feel a little bit weird, I have to say, because I don't know if I have explained well to you that over the last 3 years, Craig and I have been living as the digital nomads. So I was working, so I was the digital nomad of the pair while he was retired. Yes, so we're used to being somewhere for about this period, almost like two to 2.5 months, and then we would leave. So now it just feels like, oh, we really did move here. Like, oh, though we can travel, but usually we pack everything up and go to the next spot, right? So yeah, it feels nice to be to stay put. But it does bring me to why our event that we went to, that I'm going to show you, is so cool, because we have been very intentional about building our tribe here and building our community. We went bowling at the Pacific Center. One of my subscribers told me about this location of the Pacific Center, and that they had a bowling alley and an Aliss store. So yeah, we went to check it out. So I was able to get like 10 people to go, 10 friends to go, 10 of us. We spent the afternoon bowling at the Jungla. I'll just say we spent the afternoon bowling, and I have some. I want to show you. I'll take you along with us to show you the good time that we had, because this is some place that you can go as well, even if you're here vacationing, or even if you already are living here. It was so fun. And that Aliss store, oh my gosh, it took up the whole floor. So it was huge. It was huge. So yeah, come along with us. I want to show you what we did. Life in Panama is not just about the beautiful views and just the cuisine, and it's also about just everyday life of finding your tribe and enjoying spending time together and finding things that you all enjoy doing together. So we had the best time bowling. Yes. So we just enjoyed cheering each other on, and of course most of us had a story that we had not bowled in decades, but the time spent together was absolutely the best. I would definitely recommend this bowling alley for you and your friends to come and enjoy, even if you're visiting Panama and looking for something to do as well. It was really, really fun. The food was really good as well, and it was just a good time. This place has 2 floors, and the second floor also has almost the exact replica of the number of bowling alleys on top as well. Just everything was really clean, very nice. As I said, the food was good, and the staff was very friendly and very attentive. There were other groups there as well, but the size of this venue really allows for so many different things to be happening, and it seemed to be well organized as well. So I would definitely recommend this for you and your tribe, your friends as well. We were all intrigued with the supermarket, super culture. Really, really, I enjoyed their floral section. I thought that was really cool. I had not seen one this large. So I was really, really intrigued by that. So a lot of different greenery and just a lot of florals that I had not seen in other stores for live flowers. So, of course, I'm checking out their produce department. And actually, I can't say that I see anything here that I haven't seen in other grocery stores to warrant a special trip out here. But yeah. So I did like that. You saw that they have asparagus here and broccoli. So all that is very, very promising. Everything does look very fresh. And prices were in line with what I've seen in other grocery stores as well. So, and then the Aliss store. Boy, I heard that there was one here, but never was I prepared for this store at this center is the entire floor. So the layout is really, really different. It takes up the entire floor. So we definitely browsed this store. You know what, to be honest though, like I do like the idea of this store, but honestly I don't think I have, well, I did buy a couple things, but not today from the store, so that's true. I was going to say that I like the idea of it more than I actually buy stuff here, but I don't really know why that is though, but I am always drawn when I see the store. I really am finding that I'm a stickler now for Stevens. That's just my store, is Stevens. Yes. But I do like that they have like so many different options. Like there's a clothing section here. There's indoor, outdoor furniture. I think there's also a flair of nostalgia that I feel here for the States. It feels like a store that I would find in the Carolinas, for instance. So maybe that's part of my attraction to this store. But I'm always like excited when I see Aliss and to go in and see what they have. You know what? We actually did buy something here. We bought one of these little cooler sacks. We did. So, yep, it's $10. So that was a really good find. We're excited about that. Yeah, that bowling alley is super nice, super nice. I definitely hope that we can go back. It was funny though, because most of the people that went, we were all like a little sore the next day. And Minnie said, like, I think I was saying that they had not bowled in decades. Like that was, you could not tell they were doing really, really good. At least what I thought was really, really good. They didn't think so. But it was so much fun. Everybody said they had a really good time. And then what about that Aliss store? Take up the whole floor, right? I have to admit, I'm totally attracted to the stores. But really, I'm such a Stevens girl. And it was proven because this past weekend we went to Albrook Mall. And where did I buy stuff from? The Stevens store. I'm like, oh, I'm a Stevens girl. I'm a Stevens girl. So when you get here, be sure to check out both of those stores. I think if I had started out with Aliss at first, then I totally love their stuff and their styles. But since I started out with Stevens, I think that's kind of what's happening, of why I keep going back. Because a lot of their stuff, even their decorations, all match. Like it's all kind of color coordinated. And so I think that's where they got me. But their prices are not bad, and so you get a good quality for what you're getting, so that definitely helps. All right, so you know what to do. I want you to be blessed.